How to get rid of stink bugs. Stink bugs are small, harmless bugs that happen to emit a horrible smell when crushed. Stink bugs, scientifically known as Pentatomati, are a family of insects native to Asia. They are characterized by their distinctive shield-like shape and the smelly odor they emit when they feel threatened. There are several species of stink bugs, including the brown marmorated stink bug, Haliomorpha halis, and the green stink bug, 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆 hilaris, which are common in North America. These bugs are not only a nuisance, they also pose an economic threat to farmers. If you're watching this video, you're likely desperate to get rid of stink bugs. Here, you'll find many ways to keep them out. Carefully sweep up or trap stink bugs in your home to prevent their stench from being released. You can keep these bugs away from your home by sealing holes, cutting down on lighting, and spraying your outside walls with insecticide. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to removing stink bugs from your home and keeping stink bugs out. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Removing stink bugs from your home. Number 1. Leave stink bugs intact to prevent the release of their odor. Stink bugs are named for the terrible smell that is emitted when they are crushed. Avoid the temptation to squish or step on stink bugs when you spot them. A pungent odor will be released in your home if you do. Number 2. Sweep up stink bugs and flush them down the toilet. The best way to catch and get rid of stink bugs is to use a dustpan and brush to collect them. Sweep the bugs into the dustpan gently to avoid crushing them. Shake them into the toilet, where you can flush them away before they have the chance to release their odor. Avoid vacuuming up the stink bugs, as the pressure of the machine may crush them and trap their odor in your vacuum. Number 3. Place sticky traps around your home. Place sticky traps around your home to trap and track stink bugs. Purchase sticky insect traps from your local hardware store and place them in each room of your home. This will allow you to catch the bugs, but also to see where the highest number of bugs are located in your home. Dispose of the traps and replace them as needed until the stink bugs are gone. Place traps on windowsills to catch stink bugs as they try to enter your home. Be sure to keep sticky traps out of reach of pets and children. Avoid putting sticky traps outside, where they might trap small animals or beneficial pollinators like bees. Number 4. Kill stink bugs by spraying them with soap, vinegar, and hot water. Pour 0.5 cups, 120 milliliters of vinegar and 0.25 cups, 59 milliliters of dish soap into a spray bottle. Add 1 cup, 240 milliliters of hot water and swirl the mixture to combine it. Spray this solution on stink bugs at a close range to kill them instantly. Note that the cleanup after this killing method may be messy. Number 5. Knock stink bugs into a bucket of soapy water. Stink bugs drown quickly in soapy water, which may hinder the release of their stench or mask the smell. Fill a bucket with hot water and dish soap. Knock stink bugs off of walls, curtains, or other high surfaces into the solution. You can also sweep up the bugs and drop them into the water. When you're ready to discard the bugs you collected, simply flush them down the toilet. Number 6. Build a lighted stink bug trap out of a plastic bottle. Cut the top off a large plastic soda bottle and invert it, placing it back on top of the bottle upside down. Use strong tape to attach a battery-operated light to the bottom of the bottle, shining upwards. Leave the trap in a dark area of your home so that stink bugs will crawl in, trying to get to the light, and get trapped. Apply masking tape or small pieces of foam to the sides of the plastic bottle to create traction, making it easier for the stink bugs to crawl in. Make multiple lighted traps to get rid of stink bugs quickly. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Keeping stink bugs out. Number 1. Seal cracks around the building with caulking. Stink bugs are likely to come into your house by way of cracks or holes on its exterior. Use a urethane caulking gun to fill in small gaps. Do this yearly to keep your home in solid shape. Pay special attention to areas near doors and windows. Expert tip: stink bugs can enter your home through many different routes. Among just a few are chimneys, attics, vents, windows, loose siding, weep holes, and crawl spaces. Sealing around these structures can be very helpful at reducing the populations of stink bugs in your homes. In addition, make sure all utility lines are well sealed, and install tight-fitting weather stripping on your windows and doors. You should also have screens over your vents, but be sure to use the appropriate size screen on combustion appliance intakes and vents to ensure proper airflow. Number 2. Replace or repair damaged window screens. Stink bugs can enter your home through tiny holes in your window screens. Check your screens for holes and tears and close up tiny spots with superglue. Patch up any holes that are larger than 1 inch (2.5 centimeters) by applying a screen material patch with strong adhesive. If damage to the screen is very extensive, replace it entirely. Consider adding screens to other possible entry points to your home, like the opening of your chimney, pipe or gutter openings, drains, and vents. Number 3. Rub a dryer sheet on your window screens. The fragrance of dryer sheets is said to repel stink bugs. To add a layer of protection to your home, wipe a dryer sheet over the surface of each of your window screens. The scent will linger on the mesh wire and deter stink bugs from trying to enter your home. For large window screens, use 2 dryer sheets to cover their entire surface. Number 4. Make a peppermint spray to repel stink bugs. Pour 2 cups (470 milliliters) of water into a spray bottle. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil to the bottle and shake it to mix the ingredients. Spray the mixture around bug entryways like windows and doors to deter bugs from entering your home. You can also spray the mixture outdoors around your home to keep stink bugs at bay. Number 5. Spray the outside of your home with bifenthrin insecticide in the fall. Buy bifenthrin insecticide at your local hardware store to apply to your outdoor walls in September or October. Test the spray on a hidden corner of your home and wait a few days to make sure it doesn't cause damage to the siding. If it doesn't, spray the chemical over the entire surface of each outside wall. Spray the pesticide upwards to ensure that the entire surface is coated evenly. Wear goggles and protective clothing in case some pesticide falls on you as you spray. You can also apply diatomaceous earth as a preventative treatment. Don't spray your garden, trees, or other foliage with the intention of killing stink bugs. For an easier solution, consider calling a professional exterminator to do the job. Number 6. Minimize lighting outside of your home. Stink bugs are attracted to light, and lighting just outside of your home could make it a beacon for the insects. Keep lighting directly outside of the front and back entrances of your home minimal. Turn off your porch light when you are not using it. As an alternative, purchase a motion detector light to avoid having outdoor lights on unnecessarily. Number 7. Place a lighted dish soap trap outside your home. Catch stink bugs that might be making their way towards your home by placing a large pan of soapy water outside overnight. Position a lamp so that it is shining onto the trap, making it irresistible to nearby bugs. Stink bugs will crawl into the trap and drown in the soapy water. Note that this trap may catch other bugs as well. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Crushing a few stink bugs outside your home may serve as a warning to other stink bugs and compel them to stay away. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce stink bug infestations. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.